Hey, I thought you might like some hot chocolate.
Thanks.
What are you thinking about?
I don't know.
Come on, you have to be thinking about something.
I don't know what to be thinking about anymore.
You mean about us?
Yeah.
Well, what do you want?
I just want to know what all of this is.
I mean for us.
Does it matter?
I think so. Look, I've been trying to figure out how things came to be with you. And the truth is, I don't know. And the worst part is, I feel like you've managed to stay afloat through all this.
We both have.
I don't know. Look, I care a lot about you, alright?
I know.